In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a fully automated LinkedIn content machine in n8n. By the end, you'll have a hands-off workflow that ideates, writes, illustrates, optimizes, and publishes LinkedIn posts for your organization on a reliable 6-hour cadence. We'll begin with a schedule trigger that runs every 6 hours. There's no manual input here. The workflow wakes itself up, executes, and hands off each task to the next node. Set the time zone and start time to align with your audience, and consider a small jitter if you want to avoid posting at the exact same minute every cycle. Next comes the content topic generator, an AI agent powered by the GPT-4o mini model and a structured output parser. This agent produces a clean JSON payload with a title, a rationale for why the topic matters, and a concise hook designed to stop the scroll. The topics are framed around AI, LinkedIn, and automation, which gives you a consistent lane while still allowing for variety. Tighten your prompt with notes on brand voice, audience expertise, and any words to avoid to keep outputs on message. From there, the content creator, built as an LLM chain, transforms that title, rationale, and hook into a ready-to-publish asset. It returns a post title, a full LinkedIn post, and an image description, all in structured JSON. Ask the model to respect LinkedIn length norms, use short paragraphs for readability, and maintain a clear call to action. This is also a great place to standardize tone. Educational, friendly, and succinct typically performs well. With the image description in hand, the OpenAI image node generates a realistic, LinkedIn-friendly visual. Aim for professional, context-rich imagery rather than overly abstract art. Keep composition clean, avoid unlicensed logos or recognizable faces, and match common LinkedIn aspect ratios for best results. The SEO agent then analyzes the post title and content and returns a structured set of hashtags, 3 to 5 broad tags for reach, 3 to 5 niche tags for relevance, and 1 to 2 trending tags for timeliness. Keep your total count reasonable and ensure they actually match the substance of the post. A merge node combines the image output and the hashtag output with the written content, deduplicating tags and ensuring everything is in the right fields and within character limits. Finally, the LinkedIn node publishes automatically as your organization, with the image and content included. No human approval step. Make sure the connection is authorized, the organization permissions are correct, and logs are enabled so you can monitor each run. In short, the flow is AI research agent, AI content writer, AI image generator, AI SEO hashtag generator, and then auto post to LinkedIn. Once live, you'll have a reliable, fully autonomous LinkedIn content engine running on schedule.